Lisa from WTI, and today I want to share with you something that has made charging my phones way more easier, practical, convenient. And it's this Apple MagSafe Charger. I want you to see this size. It's smaller than the palm of my hand, but this is so powerful since it'll charge your phone so much faster. I also want you to see the cord. It's long enough, so if you connect it to your laptop to any outlet, it's not going to be too short because it can be a little frustrating having a very short connection. Now, this is so simple to use. Literally, you just lie your phone on top of it. Something that I appreciate is that it allows you to see what percentage you have charged and what you have left. And even if you pick up your phone, you don't have to worry about it coming apart or uncharging, since the magnet is pretty strong and it's going to stick to it until it's fully charged. This is a very practical gift. It's so cool. I love it. I would highly recommend it. My husband and I use it every day, literally, and that is my point of view.